Okay, so here we are. I have a lot of different materials for my nature mandala. I found these on our walk because of that storm. I found these little cute heart-shaped leaves, these long things, these ferns, and then this is all stuff that I had in my yard. So I'm going to begin by kind of laying things out. I'm going to start in the center. That doesn't mean I'm going to keep it this way, but I'm going to kind of play around with design. I tend to notice that odd numbers work pretty well when it comes to visually pleasing the designs. I feel like that belongs in the center for sure. Ooh, and maybe if I put these all kind of in between, going that way, it's looking good. Oh, everybody say hi to the bun bun. Hazel! That's Hazel. She's busy. She loves it outside. Back to the mandala. I know you guys like to see pets and show pets, so there she is. She's being pretty. And yes, that is a hot pink cage. We retrofitted a dog cage to be her outdoor cage. She has an indoor-outdoor cage. She's an indoor-outdoor rabbit. She loves her rabbit life. She also loves things like blueberries. Okay, that looks nice. And maybe in between go the pretty yellow flowers that I have growing in my front yard. They're little, but they smell intensely. There's some mountain flower from like Colorado or something one of my friends gave me. And then beginning to go out. As you can see, I'm not worried about it being a perfect circle. Maybe these I'll go from here. Nah, maybe I won't use those. No, they're gonna go this way. They're all different sizes. That doesn't really matter. Oh, yes. We'll do 3 between every one. They're not all the same size, but that's the cool part about nature. And then I can take out my little tiny one and make it even. There we go. Oh yeah, that bright white is beautiful. There we go. There's my mandala.